So today unboxing. This is something new. A hole in the simplest bag you can find. This is how it came from the post office. So what do we got here? We got here deja vu, because yes, last video we have a Blitzwolf product as well. And what else? What do you know? Another Blitzwolf product. Okay. So this is pretty obvious, the Capture 2 gimbal bag. A simple bag, nothing to tell about, Narrow opening, you got a net here for all sort of things you want to add in. It's pretty thick on the sides, nice velvet finish inside. Hopefully it will protect my Capture 2 gimbal. So that's it for the Capture 2. So let's see what we got from Blitzwolf. I will open the boxes and let's see what's in. Well, so on the first box we have an LED light and sort of a ring light. Says 5-volt charging port, which is protected. Let's take it off and have some sort of connection, and yeah, it's working. Pretty nice actually. It's got different color temperature, you can see. Long press again, nothing. Okay, short press. Cool temperature, weak, stronger, more warm light, and so this wasn't the warm light, this was the neutral color. And this is the warm color. So we have six stages of light, two for each color, temperature and power. First impression, I think this thing does what it should. Give you a pretty soft light. Shouldn't be too strong because it's close to you. And we got a user manual. Let's look at it further, and this light companion is, let's open it up. So we're back, and this is the biggest selfie stick I ever seen. So we got a charging cable for the trigger control. This is shutter control, and we got this light adapter. I think it goes here. Maybe not. No, it's just an adapter for, some screw mount accessories, I guess you want to put in it. There are two spare legs, which is nice. And this selfie screen, the uniqueness of it's that you can spread its legs, and it makes it a little tripod. So that's why it's so big. We got a angle here for adjusting, and even you can tilt it right or left, maybe get to vertical or horizontal mode. And this light is the selfie stick companion. There you are. So you have the selfie stick and the light itself. There you go. Let's take a better look at it on it standing up. So this is the product. It's really a big selfie screen with tripod LED. I didn't expect it to be that big, but it is, and it's good because it reaches your face height pretty easily. Great for making video with your phones, YouTube videos, all sort of videos, and it incorporates this LED, which lets you light things pretty good considering its size. Of course, you can fold it up to take it with you, so it wouldn't be so annoying to take it. Let's try to make it a little bit smaller. So as you can see, it folds up, the leg folds up, and you can easily make it a bit more compact for, I think in a backpack it will fit just easily. So I will further away check this product. I just want to see it and see if you like it. And I'll check how convenient it is to use it, how it lights. Does the light make the job done? And I'll get back to you with a more deeper research review. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll put a link below for this tripod, selfie stick, light, whatever you call it. And I buy all this thing for my money, so I'll be happy if you help me and buy this product through my link. And I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye for now, have fun, make video, bye.